It's been the saying for many, many years, it's Havre, it's the people. And that truly is one of the best things about Havre, is that we have some incredible people here. And we really want that to show in our infrastructure and be able to show our tourists that, it's not just the people, it's also the place. It has its own kind of beauty it just feels really homey and warm.
This Pilot Communities program is really our opportunity to focus on rural Montana, under-visited Montana, and helping to grow the tourism economy in those locations. This isn't going to just be an improvement for visitors. This will be an improvement for the people who live there day in and day out, all year round.
I think that everyone has had this vision in their mind about what Havre's downtown could look like, what it should look like. And that's finally going to come to fruition. One of our main things is to make it a lot safer for our pedestrians. In a lot of the bigger cities, we see people walking around all the time, and that really makes the city feel alive. That's what we want to bring to Havre. We want to make it walkable, but not just walkable, safe. Personally, I am most looking forward to the Levee Trail. Our community has a river running right through downtown, and we have a levee that runs right next to that river, and the views are phenomenal. We have Havre Trails here in Havre, and they have been looking at putting a trail on the levee for a while. It has become very evident how important it is that we put in the work to make sure that we are able to continue getting tourists to come here. Because if we don't put in the work and we let our community fall apart, we're just not going to get any tourism. And unfortunately, that impacts more than just hotels. It impacts more than just gas stations. It impacts every single business and every single person.